वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं
नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवतिर्नष्टकी। हरे कृष्ण। ओम अज्ञानान्तिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै गुरवे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपीकान्त नमोस्तुते। काञ्चन गौरङ्गी श्रीराधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो ब्रह्मणाय देवाय नमो ब्रह्मणाय हिताय च जगद्धिताय कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतस्यै नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण। आज कितने लोग हैं? इंग्लिश Okay, I'll mix together. Then, okay, I'll try to explain one time in Hindi and one time in English.
I don't understand Hindi.
We are sending her to see school also.
Yeah, दोनों में बोलेंगे।
Yeah. Today, आज जो हम हैं बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट विषय है जिसके ऊपर आप सब लोग चर्चा करने की कोशिश करेंगे। रियल हैप्पीनेस। कौन है जो यहाँ पे हैप्पीनेस नहीं चाहता? कौन? Who doesn't want the happiness in his life? I think everybody wants happiness in their life. Kasturi tilkam lalat patle vakshastale kostubam नासाग्रे करमुक्तिकं करतले वेणुकरे कंकणं सर्वांगे हरिचंदनं सुललितं कंठे च मुक्तावली गोपस्ते विश्वसो विजयते गोपाल चूड़ामणि गोपाल चूड़ामणि. This is a Krishna stuti describing that how when we dress up the Lord, how we should dress up the Lord. It is described. Says Kasturi Tilakam. That is the tilak. The Krishna should have tilak. Vakshastale Kostubam. Vaksh means is this chest. Kostubam means Kostubam is a jewel which came out when the churning of the ocean, the sheer ocean was done. That time that Kostubam money was, and that has been at the chest of the Lord. और नाक के अंदर मुक्ति का मोती होना चाहिए और वेणु करे कंकण और सारा शरीर जो है चंदन से लिप्त सुगंधित कंठे च मुक्तावली जो हमको मुक्ति देती है और जो गोपियों के साथ रह करके जो गोपियों वाला भाव लेकर के उनके साथ रहकर उस विजय को प्राप्त करते हैं. किस विजय को? आप चूड़ा देखा है ना, लेडीज जो चूड़ा पहनती हैं उस चूड़े में कितनी कितनी मणियां होती है, छोटे 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 लाइक डायमंड. बट गोपाल इज ए चूड़ा मणि ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम. ही इज नॉट सेपरेट, ही इज all of them together. Without that, those diamonds have no value. So भगवान के हाथ में, गोपाल के हाथ में चूड़ा मणि. तो हम बात कर रहे थे, today we are talking about that what is the real happiness. So हम आप सब लोगों से पूछेंगे, who is happy in this material world? बताइए. Tell me. Is anyone is happy? Tell me. Raise your hand if anyone is happy. Don't feel shy. We are together. Don't worry. See, जब महाभारत के समय में उस असत्य सभा के अंदर कुंती महारानी ने लिखा है, कुंती महारानी की टीचिंग्स के अंदर, that the assembly where Draupadi Chirharan took place was the assembly of asatya. ये श्रीमद् भागवतम में आता है, कभी आप कुछ लोग सुनाएंगे. असत्य की सभा थी. But there was only one devotee of the Lord who didn't care who is sitting in that sabha. Whether he's a Bhishma Pitama or whether he's a Dronacharya, whether he's elder brother Dhritarashtra. Vidhur. Vidhur shouted like anything, says, Duryodhan, हे धृतराष्ट्र, तुम आंखों से तो अंधे हो मगर ज्ञान से भी अंधे हो. You are not only blind with your eyes, you are blind with your mind also, with the knowledge also. And Vidhur said all these words and went away. When the Kurukshetra Mahabharata started, Vidhur was not there. So Vidhur went to the forest, tapasya ke liye, Brahman ke liye. He met Maitreya Muni. Maitreya Muni is such a great rishi that Duryodhan was killed because of the sharp of Maitreya Muni. Maitreya Muni went to the sabha of Dhritarashtra and उनको कहा कि जो आप कर रहे हो वो गलत कर रहे हो. बट दुर्योधन ने अपनी जांघ पे हाथ मार करके मैत्र मुनि का अनादर किया. He insulted Maitreya Muni by clapping his hand on his line. And then Maitreya Muni said, Bhim, the vow he took, भीम ने जो प्रण किया था द्रौपदी चीरहरण के अंदर, he will kill you by hitting here only. And he was killed by that only. मेरी मेरी केरो करता दुर्योधन है भाई, 12 जोजन छतर चलत है, देही गिरज न खाई. दुर्योधन ने वर मांगा था कि मेरी देह को कोई भी नहीं खा सकता, कोई पशु पक्षी नहीं खा पाएगा. इसलिए उसकी देह बंजर बन गई थी, रेत की तरह बन गई. तो मैत्रेय मुनि, विदुर जी मैत्रेय मुनि से मिले और तब मैत्रेय मुनि एज ए स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर of Vidurji, he said one verse in Srimad Bhagavatam in 3rd canto. He says, Yasya cha mood tamo loke, yasya cha buddhe param gata, tav ubhav sukham edete, kalishyate antrito jana. Listen very carefully. Yasya cha mood tamo loke, yasya cha buddhe param gata. There are only two people who are happy in this material world. There are only two people. Listen today. The one who is situated on the transcendental platform, who is in bhakti. And the second one, mood mato loke, the one who is imbecile. इसको बोलते हैं idiot, पागल. Because पागल को तो कुछ पता ही नहीं होता है कि भाई सुख क्या है, दुख क्या है. उसको तो किसी चीज का एहसास ही नहीं होता. आप जाए कभी देखिए रिटार्डेड पीपल को, देखिए हॉस्पिटल में, when you go, he doesn't know anything, because according to the scientific research, they say is the normal IQ of the normal person is 100. And the idiot, the imbecile person, the IQ is less than 50. If the IQ is less than 50, he doesn't know what is happening in this material world. He doesn't know anything. For him, there is no sukh and no dukh. So it says in Bhagavatam, Yasya cha mood tamo loke, yasya cha buddhe param gata. Tav ubhav sukham edete. Only these two people are happy in this material world. And then he says last line, Kalishyate antrito jana. Kalishyate means kalesh. Antrito means in between. Jana means the people. The people who are neither on the transcendental platform, nor they are idiot, they are in between. All of them are suffering in this material world. That's what the scripture says. If you are situated on transcendental platform, then only you can realize the real happiness. There are three types.